Hi guys, so in this video we will be discussing about the number of iterations which will lead to the time complexity. Okay, so time complexity related problem is very much important because it is asked in the interview for service based as well as for product based companies. So we have to understand what is the time complexity of any algorithm which we will be working upon. Okay, so for that, number of iterations we need to understand. So if we can understand number of iterations in a loop, so basic thing which we have to understand is the for loop. Okay, if we don't understand for loop, then we can't understand the time complexity. So it's a basic necessary requirement that we have to understand the for loop. Okay, so you can first go through that, then we will understand this. If you don't know what is for loop. Okay, so we will be understanding, like in this question, what will be my number of iterations, so that will be my time complexity of this problem. Okay, so let's understand that here. So for me, first I will write here what is written over here. It's I is going from 1 to n, and here the value is I equal to I into 2. So if you know that this part is the initialization part. Okay, so first part is initialization part, second part is till where it is going, it's the end part. Okay, but here I value is changing. Okay, so I is changing in every iteration. So first time I is 1, then in next iteration I will be equal to 2, then in third iteration I will be equal to what, it's 4, and then in third fourth iteration it will get multiplied, I value will get multiplied over here. So how can we calculate the number of iterations in this problem? Okay, so for that what we have to do, first we have to create one column to understand. First column will be for n, and second will be till how much distance it will go, like how much distance, or you can say like count or I value. Okay, that we will understand over here. So first, if n is equal to 1, if n is equal to 1, then what, till what this I value will go? First I equal to 1, I will be equal to 1 because n is equal to 1. So 1 equal to 1, condition gets satisfied. So this part will be executed. Then again it will go here. So you know the for loop process, right? First initialization will be there, then it will check the condition, then this first, then it will check the condition, then it will go here, it will execute the body of the for loop, and then at last it will go here and will increase or decrease the value of I based upon the logic written over here. So here what I am doing here, we are multiplying I value with 2. Okay, so I will be equal to how much here? 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2 over here. Okay, so 1 into 2 is 2. So first I value was 1. Okay, first I value was 1, and then I value has become 1 into 2, which is 2. Okay, so you can see for n equal to 1, I will go up to 2. Okay, then if n will be equal to 2, then what will the value of I will be? So value of I will be 2 to the power 1. First this, because till here I has already went. Okay, so if I is equal to 2, n equal to 2, then I equal to 1. First 1 less than equal to 2 condition gets satisfied, so I will be equal to 2. Okay, then I will be equal to 1 into 2 is 2, 2 equal to 2 condition satisfied, so I will be equal to 2 into 2, which is 4. Okay, so it's like 2 square. Okay, just try to understand what is going on. If I equal to 1, so it will be like 1 into 2, 1 less than equal to 2 condition gets satisfied, then it will come here, it will execute the body part of the loop, and then I will be incremented to 1 into 2 first, then it will go again 2 equal to 2 condition gets satisfied, it will execute the body part, then it will do here 2 into 2, which is 4. So first it will happen 1 into 2, then it will work like 2 into 2. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Okay, 1 into 2, then 2 into 2. Okay, 2 times it will work, right? So at max, what is the value? 2 into 2. It will go till 2 into 2, which is 2 square. Okay, if n is equal to 3, then again it will go, right? 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus this 2 into 2. What is the value currently? This again into 2. Understanding, right? So every time we are multiplying 2, because I is multiplied by 2 over here. So here you can see it is going max till 2 to the power 3. So it is equivalent to the last value if I take, because in time complexity, we have to take the maximum value which it will go. We have to remove all those smaller values. Okay, so 2 to the power 1 or 2 to the power 0 is very less as compared to this 2 to the power 3. Okay, so we will consider this 2 to the power 3 the maximum value. So it will go till 2 to the power 3. So I will put 2 to the power 3 over here. You are getting right? If n is equal to 1, it is going till 2 to the power 1. If n is equal to 2, it is going till 2 to the power 2. If n is 3, it is going till 2 to the power 3. Okay, so if it goes till n, then how it will go here? So here it is like, you can consider it like small n. Okay, so now I am writing here the actual scenario, like actual number of iteration where it will go. So we have to find the value of this n. Okay, to find the number of iterations. Okay, so if I consider it here, it will go till n. If it goes till here n, then it will go till 2 to the power n. Are you agreeing with this? Here you can see, if it goes till n, which is capital N, here it will go till 2 to the power k, a, b, c, d, anything you can write. But for simplicity purpose, I am putting it n, small n here. Okay, so it's matching, right? And this 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, it's matching, right? The power is matching. So n will go till 2 to the power n. So now if I have to find the value of n here, the power, then we can find the number of iterations, which will be my time complexity. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, first I will write n equal to 2 to the power n. So now, how can we find this n value? Is there any way to find this n value? How can we put 2 here? Just I have to calculate the value of n. How can we do that? Yes, we can take log base 2 both sides, because it's 2 to the power n, right? So we can take log both sides. So if we can take log both sides, log of n is equal to log of 2 to the power n. Okay, so here if you can see, if I am taking log both the side base 2, then what we can do over here? It will be like log n base 2 equal to, here it will value will be small n. How? Because it's a property, like if this number is same as the base, log a to the base a, the value will be always 1. Log b to the base b, the value will be always 1. Okay, so the value 2 to the power n will come over here. Okay, so it will be like n log 2 to the base 2. Okay, so log 2 to the base 2 is 1, because log 2 base 2 means log 2 divided by log 2. So this is the property. So if you remember the properties of logs, you will be remembering this. So here I think you can see it will be like log a to the base b is equal to log a by log b. You know, right? So if b is equal to a, then what will happen? If b will be equal to a, right? If b is equal to a, it will be like log a by log a. So log a by log a, it will cancel it out and answer will be 1. The same thing is happening over here. Log 2 to the base 2 is log 2 divided by log 2, which is 1. So here it will be n into 1. So what's the value of n? It is log n to the base 2. So if the value of n is given to you, then the iterations will be going till log of capital N to the base 2 times. This was very important. So time complexity of these iterations will be log of n to the base 2, which is a time complexity as well, and number of iterations where the loop will go is log n to the base 2. So I hope you understood this important concept on time complexity and number of iterations. So we will come with the next similar set of topic with different set of questions, which will be like mind-blowing for you. So till then, keep learning, keep practicing the code, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, it's Devjit Roy signing off. Bye bye.